Okay guys, so I'm gonna hop on here real quick and this is my day 2 hair. I'm gonna kind of show y'all just how to kind of revamp it by spraying some dry shampoo in, and I'm gonna kind of poof it with my bristle boar brush here. You can see the coarse brush, and I'm gonna be using the laundry products with this. So what I'm gonna do first, I have my Deja Vu, and it's got candle wax all over it that I spilled. Oopsie. So Deja Vu Dry Shampoo, and this one's almost out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get the roots. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and massage it in. And I'm gonna just flip it. And I have extensions in, so these are my tape-in extensions that see there. But basically, I'm just going in and getting the most greasiest spots. I'm gonna get it off my scalp here. Almost out of this one. I have to open up my other bottle. Pretty much always have to have like 2 at all times of this dry shampoo. And my hair is just naturally very oily. My skin is naturally oily. So I used to have to wash it every day, but I'm trying to not wash it as much. So I'm doing the back of my head here. I'm gonna do behind the ears, back here, as well as back here. It's gonna look like a hot mess for a minute. And I'm just kind of getting the spots that I can feel is the most oily. So the trick for me is I dry shampoo in the morning and at night. Now, let me sit down. I'm gonna go in here and use this bristle brush here. I'm just going to kind of poof it up a little bit to get it off of my scalp. So that's where all that oil is. And I'm going to kind of get extension out of the way, so I don't mess with that. And the same thing with this layer here. So basically, the more you can get it off of your head, the more it's going to distribute. And this brush here, it distributes that oil better throughout your hair. So that's going to help all those natural, healthy oils make their way down through your hair. And since it's curly, otherwise I would have brushed it all the way through, but since I still have some curl in it from today, I'm not going to mess with it. Crazy. But see, you can already tell there that it doesn't look as oily already compared to this side. So once I brush it down a little bit later. So that's basically what you're doing. If you need to put any more in, if you notice spots that you missed, now's the time to get that dry shampoo out. So I'm just trying to avoid my extensions. Distribute the oil. And I used the inverted one today out of the Sink. If you have not got your hands on it, it really is a must. It comes with 5 of those little bad boy ones. And they're all just super, all kinds of curls that you can get out of it. Okay, so I think for the most part I've gotten it. So now I'm just kind of brushing that craziness down. And I'm going to move my part over. So I'm going to take it tad bit over. Move this over some. And then, if I want, I can re-curl some of that. So, just a little bit more brushing in that one spot. Now I'm just gonna turn my head over. Okay. And then when I go to sleep tonight, I'll actually put more dry shampoo in, and just overnight it's gonna help absorb more of that oil. But it's not as oily. It's more evenly distributed through. Gave it a little bit more volume there. Run my hands through here. Alright. And that is my little hair tip 101 for y'all. So, alright. Thanks for watching.